Hello everyone and welcome to Stockology. Today is 22nd of April 2025 और आज का मार्केट कुछ ऐसा रहा ऐसे कि आप देख सकते हैं निफ्टी 50 41.70 पॉइंट ऊपर रहा सेंसेक्स 187 बैंक निफ्टी 342.70 and if you look at the all over market in the world Dow Jones Nasdaq Dow S&P सारे अभी ऊपर हैं तो they are going to impact the uh, Indian market as well as Asia and the other market all over the world, and so it is a good opportunity. So with that, let's move to our trades, not our trades, on which share we are going to look. So जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, I have already completed Nifty 50 shares. So now I'm going to go according to the sectors. So I have decided to go with aerospace and defense at the moment, and I want to ensure you that when those share will break the resistance which I'm going to make here, I'm going to try my best to take those share as well to show you how those are performing. So और मैंने शॉर्ट्स भी देख डाले हैं अभी recently that I'm doing intraday. So let's go with her. The first share you can see is Hindustan Aeronautics. At the moment इसके अगर प्राइस की बात करें, ये है 4,286, which is 23.10 rupees down today. And अगर आप overall performance की बात करें on the basis of today's high was 4,338.90 and today's low is 4,272. And 52-week high is 55,674. So it is almost like 1300 or 12, yeah, almost 1500 something, not 1500, almost 13 or 1400 above below from its 52-week high. Okay, seems good. Profit net worth is increasing, profit is significant, revenue is, well, it's good in all scenarios. Okay, let's go for what is our main objective. As always, we're going to look for the months. So जैसे कि आप देख रहे होंगे कैंडल स्टिक पैटर्न के अकॉर्डिंग इसका हाईएस्ट यहाँ पे है. We are going to make it as a potential resistance. Okay, and I'm going to consider this as a support. Why this? As you can see, there are these two candles for the month really making a huge support in this scenario. Now we'll go for the week. Now there is no much in it. So अगर आप week के जाएंगे, you can make this as a support as well, but you already found one according to this, so I'm not going to make another. But now we are looking for the another entry or exit positions here. No, could be, but I'll not go for it. It has a potential for two reasons. This one, I'm not making it, but I'm just telling you why it has a potential. As you can see around May here, there are three candles for 3 weeks, which has made it a support here. Okay, and if you come here in November, you can see that these candles have made it a little bit of support up in here. So it has a potential. I'm not considering it. इसके साथ ही let's go in days. See this, the week one, which I already mentioned earlier, has proven that it has worked as quite a bit of support and resistance at some places. See, here it went below, then it came back, it went below, but it couldn't maintain and it came back. So it has a potential. Now we'll come here. It could work as a good support for us. See, these kind of things really impact how you're gonna work out with it. See, the high of this day is this, right? The low of 4th April is this, and the high was, sorry, high was there. It started here and it ended here. On the next day, on the next trading day, it went so below from here to here. These kind of things really impact my judgment regarding these kind of shares. So I'm usually kind of skeptical about it. Nonetheless, let's try to find out if we are able to find anything significant in these kind of shares. Okay, it has went up here, up to here. But if I have to consider it, I will consider the highest, the nearest high. Why the nearest high? Because I think if you don't have a significant position to enter, it is best to go with the significant high at that position. There was a really big gap down there, so I'm not really positive about it. But if the share went above 4,401.1, I will consider take an entry if it stays above it in the end of the day. So for entry point, I'll say 4,401.10 is going to be my resistance, and if I have to go with the support, I'll consider 4080 as my support. So let's consider it. We're gonna add it 4080 as a support, and what is going to be our resistance? It is going to be 4401.1. Okay, 4.01.1, sorry, 1.1 is going to be our resistance. Okay, so I will continue adding all videos, and thanks for watching स्टॉकोलॉजी एंड अगर आपको चाहते हो मैं किसी भी और शेयर को एनालाइज करूँ चार्ट बेसिस पे, कैंडल बेसिस पे, यू कैन जस्ट मेंशन इन इट in the chat, and thanks for watching स्टॉकोलॉजी.